Hello everybody to our show. How much you know about science? Well, now meet our guests. The first group or girls group is made by Maria Jimena Vázquez and Maria José Navas. The second group is made by Farid Mateo Castro and Daniel Galindo. Today's topic is evolution and Darwin's theory. The game consists on 6 questions and the winner will receive $1,000. Now let's start. And our competitions are.
Hi, my name is Farid and I'm happy to be here.
Hi, I'm Daniel Galindo.
Hi, I'm Vasquez and I'm Navas.
First question. Who is Charles Darwin and how he helped science?
We know Charles Darwin was a science guy.
And also he liked to match fossils and biology.
Well, that answer is pretty good, but it's incomplete. So now is the turn of the girls.
Well, Darwin was naturalist. He was born in England in the 12th of February in 1809 and in 1831 he went on a 5-year voyage in the world of HMS Viking. Also, his studies of specimens all around the world give him the ideas to make his theory of evolution and his views made natural selection. In 1859, he published his book, Natural Selection and Origin of Species, which was a great breakthrough on science because it gives them credibility to their predictions and ideas.
Well done. The point in this case is for the girls. Now let's go with the next question. What want to do Darwin and what his father want to do him?
His father, Dr. R.D. Darwin, was a medical doctor, and so he hoped his son Darwin would follow his steps and become also a medical doctor. But inside of the blood made Darwin crazy.
He went to Filipinas with his father and brother because his father had some job there. And in Filipinas, he studied the plants, fossils, and animals that were there. And with what he recollected, he boiled his theory of evolution.
Well, in both questions, the team of the girls were very good. So they have another 2 points. You are doing very well. You boys have to improve your answers. Now let's make a summary of the points. Girls team have 4 points, and you boys have answered correctly just 1. You have to improve. Well, the next question is how you understand by Darwin's theory evolution.
We understand that Darwin's theory of evolution consists in the evolution of all organisms since the first unicellular bacteria until us, but in a linear way.
Well, what the boy said was correct but not complete because of the change in inheritance and the characteristics in all the organisms and the pattern of the communication in the generations.
Well, both answers are good, but the girls specify in a better way. But let's give both groups 1 point. Now the next question is how did Darwin make the evolution theory and its importance?
In 1858, after a large study of scientific study, Darwin finally published one of the books that was the origin of species by means of the natural selection.
Well, what Galindo said is correct, but it's not complete. Other naturalists believe that the specimens or animals were created by another god or since the beginning of times. But Darwin noted some characteristics in common among species that led him think that they have common ancestors, and that's why he made that theory of evolution. He came to believe that species survive by a process called natural selection, where species that successfully adapt to be the changing requirements of their natural habitat thrive.
Well, both answers in this case of the girls were right. They specified better, so the points goes to the girls group. Now let's remember all the points in order to know the winners. Girls have 6 points and boys have only 2. So the winners are the girls. So our brief conclusion is that Charles Darwin not only created a new theory but also opened a new start or beginning of science, more specifically biology. It changed people's minds and creating a new science era. Thanks you so much, and see you on another episode of How Much You Know About Science. Good night.